Hello watcher and subscriber. This tutorial is going to be important to you because in this tutorial I will add two sprite. One will be that cat itself and the second sprite will be very important, that is robot. So we will do the robot programming here and there will be talk between them, but we will learn new concept that I told you in every video. I am adding the new concept for clearing your doubt. So that new concept is that we in coding part we will add a text, but here in place of get visualing, or in place of getting the text, whatever the text we will add in the coding, that text will be speak by this sprite, means that sprite will create the voice and we will not record any voice there. So in the coding part we will just add the text, and that concept is known as text to voice. So here we will add two sprites. So first we will add the background here. In the background section I want suitable background, it will suit to the personality of robot. So I want this background, and now I will add one robot. So you can search it out here. So there are two robot. I am selecting this, and now I want to change the direction of this robot. So go in costume section and there is a flip horizontal. Now it's perfect. And now in the coding part I am going into the code section. So as I told you, we will add text to speech concept. So go in downside, there is a plus icon and two lines. Just click there and select text to voice, and then that sprite will speak. If I click here, hello, then you see some voices coming. So I want one more block, and along with that I want specific type of voice. So I'm selecting here this one. So you check the voice. Hello. Now it is something different, but I want that sprite should speak in Hindi. So I'm selecting Hindi here, and here my message is आप कैसे हो. So you just check out output. Hello, आप कैसे हो? Okay, so it's very nice, and I want one control, but in place of flag I want one event, but in place of flag I want this. Means when this sprite click, means if I click here, आप कैसे हो? Means if I click on this sprite you will get the result. Now the same kind of coding I would like to do in the concept of in robot section. So in the robot, first I would like to add when the sprite is click, and then in the text to speak block I will add some that sprite should speak something. Hello, I am robot. Hello, I am robot. And it will speak in English. So as usual I am writing here, and then this section is also important, that robot section I will suppose use gent, and I'm just checking their voice.
Hello, I am robot.
So it is suitable to robot, and along with that I want specific music should also come. So in the music section, in the start sound, now there is a music. So I am selecting first one. Now I am checking its output.
Hello, I am robot.
The music is running, but at the same time that robot is speaking, that I don't want. So you can use here wait section under the control. So I am putting a time around 2 seconds. Now I am checking.
Hello, I am robot.
So now you observe their conversation is very proper, and if I click here, hello, आप कैसे हो? You are getting this you are getting in Hindi. So in the section of this sprite we have added the text, but this sprite is speaking because we have added the control text to speech. And here in the robot section also we have done same, and we are putting the simple music. So when I click here, hello, आप कैसे हो?
Hello, I am robot.
So there is a conversation between them. So here in this tutorial we learn something new. What is that new? We have learned how to add text to speech. That is very important thing in the coding section. In most of the programming language, text to speech concept is there. Means whatever the text we will add it at the time of coding, that same voice will be generated by the sprite. So that thing we have done in this tutorial. So whatever the story you will create, you can add this concept while creating the story. So I hope, dear student, you learn something new in this tutorial, and this will help you for creating robot programming. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.